Have you ever stared at a stock ticker, heart racing, wondering if your crypto is going to the moon or crashing back to Earth? Yeah, we've all been there. Cryptocurrency, with its wild swings and confusing jargon, can feel like a rigged casino. Buying Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, it feels like throwing darts blindfolded. It's enough to make even the most seasoned investor sweat. And don't even get me started on the tech side. Wallets, keys, blockchains, it's enough to make your head spin. It's like trying to learn a new language while riding a roller coaster. But what if there was a simpler way? A way to dip your toes into the world of crypto without the stomach-churning volatility. A way to invest in Ethereum, the platform that's changing the internet as we know it, without needing a PhD in computer science. That's where the Ethereum ETF comes in. Think of it as your ticket to the crypto casino, but this time, you're playing with house money. So what exactly is an Ethereum ETF? In short, it's like a basket of Ethereum, neatly packaged and ready to trade on the stock market. You buy shares of the ETF just like you would buy shares of Apple or Google, and you get exposure to the price of Ethereum without actually owning any. No more messing around with digital wallets or worrying about losing your private keys. The ETF takes care of all that for you. It's like having a personal crypto concierge, handling all the technical stuff so you can focus on what matters, making money. And the best part? You can buy and sell Ethereum ETFs through your regular brokerage account. No need to open a separate account on a shady crypto exchange. It's as easy as pie. Now you might be thinking, wait a minute, I've heard of ETFs before. What's so special about an Ethereum ETF? Good question. While the concept is similar, there are some key differences. Traditional ETFs usually track a basket of stocks or bonds representing a particular sector or index. An Ethereum ETF, on the other hand, tracks the price of a single cryptocurrency, Ethereum. This means you're getting direct exposure to the price movements of Ethereum, which can be much more volatile than traditional assets. But it also means you have the potential for much higher returns. It's a high-risk, high-reward game, just like the crypto market itself. Another difference is the regulatory landscape. ETFs have been around for decades and are subject to strict regulations. Ethereum ETFs, being relatively new, are still finding their footing in the regulatory world. The arrival of Ethereum ETFs is a big deal, folks. It's like the Wild West of crypto, just got a whole lot tamer. For starters, it opens up the world of crypto investing to a whole new audience. Remember all those people who were too intimidated or confused to buy Ethereum directly? Well, now they can get in on the action through a familiar and regulated investment vehicle. And for institutional investors who have been eyeing crypto with a mix of curiosity and caution, Ethereum ETFs offer a more palatable way to dip their toes into the water. This influx of institutional money could be a game changer for Ethereum, potentially driving up its price and legitimizing it as an asset class. Let's talk about the elephant in the room, volatility. Ethereum, like most cryptocurrencies, is known for its wild price swings. One day it's up 20%, the next it's down 30%. It's enough to give anyone whiplash. But here's the thing. Ethereum ETFs could actually help to stabilize the market. How? By providing a more accessible and regulated way to invest in Ethereum, ETFs could attract a wider range of investors, including institutional investors who are typically seen as more stable and less prone to panic selling. This increased liquidity and market depth could help to smooth out some of the volatility we've seen in the past. Of course, there's no guarantee, and Ethereum will likely always be more volatile than, say, a bond ETF. But ETFs could be a step in the right direction. So there you have it, Ethereum ETFs, simplifying crypto investing and potentially changing the game for good. It's like getting a front row seat to the future of finance, but without the complicated tech setup. If you're considering dipping your toes into the world of crypto, an Ethereum ETF could be the perfect way to get started. It's familiar, it's regulated, and it gives you direct exposure to one of the most exciting and potentially lucrative assets of our time. But don't just take my word for it. Do your own research, talk to a financial advisor, and stay informed about the latest developments in the crypto world. Because in the fast-paced world of crypto, the only constant is change. And the Ethereum ETF revolution is just getting started. Now, what do you think? Are you ready to ride the Ethereum ETF wave? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on all things crypto.